In today's unpredictable economy, it feels like every time you check the news, something new is shaking up your financial security. Banks failing, inflation skyrocketing, and even major economic figures like President Trump warning of financial instability. So, how do you protect your hard-earned retirement savings when the ground beneath us feels like it's constantly shifting? That's exactly what I want to talk about today, and I'll show you exactly how a simple strategy, one that's proven to work in any market, can safeguard your future and help you leave a legacy. But first, let's look at the current climate and why this is so crucial for American retirees like you. If you've been paying attention lately, you've probably noticed that the market's been volatile. Inflation is at a 40-year high, and we've seen major banks struggling. The economy is shifting rapidly, and it can be hard to know where to turn. Now, imagine being in the shoes of someone like Michael from Tampa, Florida. He's worked his entire life as a mechanical engineer and built up over $500,000 in his 401k. He was planning on living comfortably, but with the recent economic instability, he started to worry. Should he just ride out the storm, or should he take action to protect what he's worked so hard for? Michael knew he had to make a move, and after some research, he found the Gold IRA. By rolling over a portion of his 401k into a Gold IRA, he could protect his savings from inflation, market crashes, and the unpredictable nature of the economy. And here's the best part. Gold has been a trusted hedge against economic instability for thousands of years. So, how does this work exactly? A Gold IRA is a retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold. Unlike traditional stocks or bonds, gold doesn't depend on the performance of the stock market, which makes it a safe haven when everything else seems uncertain. It's an investment that holds its value no matter what happens with inflation or market downturns. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I don't want to make a drastic change to my retirement plan, and that's completely understandable. But remember, we're talking about securing your nest egg and ensuring that your hard work pays off for you and your family, no matter what happens in the future. Take Michael, for example. By putting a portion of his retirement into a Gold IRA, he didn't take on risk. He took control. His savings are now protected, and he can rest easy knowing that even in the worst-case scenario, he has a solid backup plan for his retirement. If you're feeling uncertain about your own financial future, let me offer you something that could make all the difference. A free Gold IRA guide and a no-obligation consultation with one of our experts. This isn't a sales pitch. There's no pressure, no free silver gimmicks, just straightforward education-first calls to see if this strategy is a good fit for you. You've worked hard to build up your retirement savings. Now it's time to protect it for the next generation. Don't wait until it's too late. Get your free guide today, and let's start making sure your future is as secure as possible.